Haloalkanes are the chain-like structure of hydrocarbons attached with one or more halogen atoms. Haloarenes are the ring-like structure of hydrocarbons attached with one or more halogen atoms. Halogens are the group 17 elements in the periodic table. They are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Each carbon atom can form 4 covalent bonds and hydrogen atom can form single bond. Classification based on number of halogens. Haloalkanes with one halogen atom are called as monohaloalkanes. Haloalkanes with 2 halogen atoms are called as dihaloalkanes. Haloalkanes with 3 halogen atoms are called as trihaloalkanes. Similarly, haloarenes with 1 halogen atom are called as monohaloarenes. Haloarenes with 2 halogen atoms are called as dihaloarenes. Haloarenes with 3 halogen atoms are called as trihaloarenes.